All right, I just landed here at the Eugene F. Carrera Airport here in Ogle, Guyana, and I saw they had an open air restaurant right here at the parking lot. So that's going to be my first local spot here to try here in Guyana. I'm not sure of the name of the place I just went to. I didn't see a name anywhere on the building, didn't see a menu. They just have some items cooked and you pick from there. And it was pretty much at closing time, so they had a limited supply of what they were offering. So I may want to go back and just see if, what else they offer, because I know that they were out of a lot of things. Also had plenty of seating, but since it was the closing, I didn't want to be that guy that's showing up right at closing and then sits down and eats. So we're going to take it back to the hotel and we're going to try it there. They have this little red shack here. I'm going to have to come back and try that out. I think that's going to have some local foods or some local snacks. So I definitely want to try that because this channel is all about eating local.
You about to feel the chronicles of a bionicle, lyrically spitting, dismissing. I'm on a mission of just hitting. Now it's written and hitting with mittens. I'm missing, wishing, man, listen. I glisten like sun and water while fishing. Bust the move in this word. Serve words with nerve embedded. I said it word, damn you nerd, man, you heard.
Yeah, I definitely want to focus on eating some of the local spots here in Guyana. So if you can give me any recommendations down in the comments, it'd be much appreciated. I would love to try them out. I'm all about eating, trying new things, experimenting, even if they're unique. Just let me know some of your local dishes and I'll try to find them. Or you can just tell me where I need to go and that's where I'll go. Yeah, so over here at the AC Marriott, they have this little strip center that's over here on the left side. They have one restaurant in it right now. It's called 519G. Definitely check that out. And then they're also, it looks like a Mediterranean place. It will be coming soon. Looks like they're pretty far along on construction. And then they also have a Bloom Cafe, which is kind of like a coffee shop slash cafe. They have another location in the middle of town, so I guess this will be a second location.
Coming from the town of Illy and alleys are full of Phillies and rallies. Suckers get silly and Sally, them found in alleys and rally. Really? So here we go. Now holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me. Flow. Never Nixon with tricking brothers bitching over fixins that ain't fitting to be hitting for nothing. Spitting things is bitten and getting written on. You're like a platter, bad platter, boy, you're pissing me off.
All right, so I made it back to the hotel. Let's see what I got. To drink, I went with a Grace Tropical Rhythms Mango Carrot Juice. Product of Jamaica. So we'll give that a shot while we're eating. Then also got, they recommended, for what they had available, they recommended the cookup, which has chicken in it, but then you also get some additional chicken. So I got a wing, a leg, and some cookup. Then lastly, I got a slice of pizza. But it was unique looking, so I had to try it because it's got, I don't know if I can get this out without making a mess. But it almost has like hot dog weenies. You'll see carrots, corn. It's just got things I'm not used to seeing in a slice of pizza. So that's what I got. All right, up first going to be the slice of pizza. Like I said, corn, cheese, looks like carrots. Maybe that's bell pepper, not sure. And then it looks like, definitely appears to be basically like a hot dog that's just been cut and put on there. Also not sure what kind of cheese this is, so we're going to figure that out too. The underside actually looks pretty good. First thing that hits you is the corn. I guess because it's so sweet and all, that corn gets you right away. It's not a bad slice of pizza. It's different for sure. But I would say it's probably worth the money. All this, including the drink, the cook-up, 2 pieces of chicken, slice of pizza. That was 2,600 Guyanese, which is about $13 US. So I would say that for $13, I mean, this is a pretty good meal, pretty fair meal. I wish the crust was a little crispier. It's almost just like eating bread. Doesn't really strike me as eating pizza. It's also a thicker crust. I prefer more of like a thin crust. The carrots, you don't even really taste those. Mainly it's that corn that's hitting me pretty much every bite, and they've got it all over the pizzas. Yeah, I think because it's so dense and because there's so much dough, you really don't taste a lot of the hot dog or really anything. It's pretty much just bread and corn. Bread and corn, that's all I taste. Try a piece of the hot dog by itself. Yeah, see, I can taste it like that, but when you taste it with the pizza, to me it adds no flavor at all to the pizza. Now the main thing I wanted to try. So the cookup. The cookup is it's pretty much rice. It looks like kind of similar to like black-eyed peas, and it has some carrots, and then she told me it also has like chunks of chicken. Yeah, also be careful when you're eating the cookup. A lot of times it's cooked with bone-in chicken, so you will get bones inside of the cookup. So make sure you're looking for it and picking those out, because you'll definitely find some while you're eating. So you can't just dig in, you kind of got to be looking. Oh yeah, I really like this. I'm not sure what spice that is. It's not something I'm used to, so I'm not sure what spice that is that I'm hitting, but I'll definitely try to do a little more research in the future when I go to places, but this was kind of a spur of the moment kind of place to go to. But, you know, I definitely like the taste of the peas. It does remind me of like eating black-eyed peas back at home, and a lot of times we grew up eating black-eyed peas with rice, so it kind of is more of like a comfort food to me. I haven't got any of the chicken yet, but she claimed it has chicken in here. I don't really see any just on the surface, but I have seen some bones, so I know it should be some somewhere. You can just see like that's just like gummy rice. I'm not sure if that's how they traditionally do it here. I definitely want to go to a place that specializes more in cook-up so I can have a proper bowl of it. But you know, all in all, it's got really good flavor. I really like it. It's you don't really taste the carrots or the other stuff that's in it, but the rice itself has good flavor. The peas I love. I'm still looking for the chicken. All right, I'm giving up on the chicken. I don't think they have chicken in here. Maybe I just happened to get a bowl that she wasn't able to scoop any chicken out for me. All right, the chicken. The chicken actually looks really good. It looks like a good barbecue smoked chicken. Got a lot of good char on it. I mean, it looks really good. So looking forward to it. Oh yeah, that's got really good flavor. It's dry, but like I said, I did show up right at quitting time. So I would assume if you were to go like closer to like lunchtime, you're probably getting this when it was freshly cooked, and it probably was juicy back then. So I'm not going to say this is how they normally cook it because that wouldn't be fair. I did show up at quitting time, so all this here is probably not as fresh as it would have been if I would have went during the middle of lunch. But it's really tasty chicken. It does taste like some kind of barbecue sauce on it. Like I said, I thought the price was fair. $13 US. Pretty good plate of food. Yeah, so let me know in the comments where the best cook-up is, because this is really good, and I know it's not fresh still because I got it at the end of the day. So I'd really like to know where, if you were a local, where would you go to get the best cook-up that has plenty of meat and everything in it? That's what I want to know, because that's where I want to go. All right, now for some juice. Let's give it a shot. That's good. It's slightly sweet. That's really good. You can actually taste the mango and you can taste the carrot. This is a good juice right here. Really tasty. I am told that the juices here in Guyana are really good. Although this one's from Jamaica, I do want to try some of the local juices. Looks like cherry is very popular here, along with some other juices. So I'll definitely be trying those during my stay here. If you were already a subscriber of the channel, then you knew I used to do nothing but travel content. But I'm shifting now. Now it's going to be nothing but food. So if food is your thing, then you're going to really enjoy this channel. This video might be a little rough, but they're going to get better as we keep doing them, right? So make sure to subscribe and follow along, ring the bell, because we're going to have a ton of content from here in Guyana and beyond. Because remember, I travel far, but I'm always going to eat local.